test tube disappears, it means that there's an elapsed time of 24 hours between the radiation of the lights. This shows some of the experimental animals in the basement. Rife had over 1,000 animals, mostly albino rats. The rats were injected with a very tiny needle from the virus that he had filtered and isolated, and the tumors would be allowed to grow to be 2 or 3 grams heavier than the rat. These are some of the rats that you see now. Rife had about 12 men that worked in this laboratory to keep everything spotlessly clean and sterilized. The next picture shows the injecting of the cancer virus in the rat. The mammary gland was used of the rat because it came out of the mammary gland of a human breast mass. The rat was given a partial anesthesia to avoid the shock of the needle, and the virus was injected in the rat. The point of the injection is shown in the forward part of the rat. Rife would then allow the cancer tumors to grow, and there you can see the tumor in the rat. He would surgically remove the tumor and treat the rat with his ray tube instruments, which frequencies would devitalize the cancer virus without harm to the human or the animal cells of the rat. Rife used high-powered glasses for his operations in order to get down to fine details of the removal. The tumor is tied off and cut away, in which the cancer virus can again be isolated from that tumor, and going into other rats with the injections of over 400 times to prove that the virus that he isolated was the cause of the cancer tumor.